Say sorry when you hurt somebody. Oh, okay. Wonderful. Awesome. Great. Number 8. Yavisht, I hope you've learned this one at least. Wash your hands before you eat. Okay, so now we know you're a performer. Everybody washes their hands? Well done, teachers. Well done, parents. Okay. And number 9. This one is very surprising. Flush. Everybody flushes. Okay, this is especially important for us because at the beginning of this year, suddenly there were all these complaints from grade 1 parents about how the toilets, the bathrooms are really dirty. And so we thought it was a housekeeping problem and we checked and it wasn't. Then we realized that nobody's flushing after them. They're so used to having somebody flush after them. So even though the Didi was going with them, we had to teach the first graders to flush after themselves. So I'm sure all of you have learned all these lessons well. Do you want me to remind you? Do you want me to remind you? No, okay. I'm going to remind you in any case because Yavi has to remember. So, number 1, share everything, play fair, don't hit people, put things back where you found them, clean up your own mess, don't take things that are not yours, say you're sorry when you hurt someone, wash your hands before you eat, and flush. So, I'm sure you will learn them in the summer, you will learn them in grade 1 even. It's important, as much as important as it is for us to learn how to read and write, it's also important to be good people and good human beings, okay? So keep these lessons close to your heart, remember them well, live by these rules, and you will find your life is much easier, okay? So do you know Dr. Seuss? Okay, don't know anything. So this one is not for you, Yavisht, because Dr. Seuss said this and you don't know him. He said, you have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself any direction you choose. You can go wherever you want. You're on your own and you'll know what you know, and you are the guy who'll decide where to go. So happy graduation, welcome to grade 1. And remember your lessons. Okay. Hasn't learned anything.
Thank you, Preet ma'am. That was quite enriching. And I'm sure all our K2s are ready for grade 1. Are we? I can't hear you. Yes, that's what I want to hear. Thank you. Okay. That also brings us to the end of another amazing show by our kindergartners. Can we hear it for our children, please? Before signing off, I have a few people whom I would like to thank for making this show such a huge success. Without these people, this wouldn't have been possible. Let me just quickly do it. I know parents are quite restless. I can see that. Okay. Management for their continued support and encouragement and complete freedom. We never had anyone saying why we're doing this. We had a complete freedom to do whatever we wanted. Thank you for that. A special thanks to our Preet ma'am for ensuring each and every requirements of ours were taken care of. Art department, it says it all. The backdrop and your props, everything says it all. Thank you Ashwini ma'am, Jaya and Seema ma'am. And Salome for the 2 songs, which is something we tried off for the first time, getting our children to sing. Thank you very much. And our Anshul Bhaiya, our very own Anshul Bhaiya. I don't think we need to say anything about him. His dances say it all. And the most important part of kindergarten, my rocking team. Without my team, this won't have been possible. Can we hear it for them, please? Amazing team that I have here. Apart from taking care of the children and ensuring that they are not tired at the end of the day, taking care of their each and every need, each of them have done their responsibilities that were given to them phenomenally. Like Kalai has been taking care of the certificates, writing the certificates, and ensuring that yummy food is served in the kindergarten block. Shantala for the narrators, who did an amazing job today, who was so confident and building up their confidence. Marva, nothing much to say. All the costumes say it all. She was in charge of the entire costumes here. Chaitra for coordinating with the music department and ensuring that the children are changed very quickly for each of the dances. We had children doing 2 dances and none of us felt anything there. Abha for the wonderful background score. Sujata, thanks for the logistics. Namrata for relentlessly coordinating with the art department and coming up with this amazing backdrop. And Amita, once again, a big thank you to you. And our Didis, our backbone. Without our Didis, again, we are nobody. Thank you, Didis. Primary teachers, some of you have been extremely helpful. Humaira, thanks for the lovely costume, helping with the stitching of the costumes. Michelle and Sabina for helping with the props. And all the grade 1 Didis for helping with the changing of the costumes. And parents, without your support, this again would not be possible. A big round of applause for you, please. Our catering team, Prabhakar, and the housekeeping, a very, very big thank you to you too. Last but never the least, our tiny little darlings. If they hadn't shown that kind of energy, this show wouldn't have been possible. A big, big, big thank you to our little ones. Thank you. May I request all the parents to stand up for the school song and the national anthem? And after the national anthem, I would request all of you to join us for a small party in the kindergarten block. Thank you.
Here is a place to learn and grow in body, mind and heart, where we seize the day and strive to know how we must play our part. Each is unique, we do believe, with strengths we must explore. In work and play we will achieve excellence, success and more. Carpe diem, we seize the day, giving our best, the only way. There's miles to go, the climb is steep, with promises to guard and keep. Adventurous all, reach out and follow, learn and grow, we are tomorrow. There's a world out there, so much to learn, much to share and care in turn. This world into a better place by playing fair to win the race. I'll be a friend to all I meet, lend a hand with fairness treat. I'll go wherever there's a need. This is my prayer, this is my creed. Carpe diem, we seize the day, giving our best, the only way. There's miles to go, the climb is steep.